How to get custom alarm sound on iPhone. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. So first thing first, you need to head over to your application clock. Once you're in here, head over to any of the alarm that you want to set. You can see the option of sound over here. You need to click on it. Scroll down and you'll get to see tons of different sounds. For now, click on download all purchased tones. It will download all the purchased sound into this page. If you received all the sounds, then all you gotta do is click on the sound and then add. If not, click on Tone Store at the very top. Move into the page where your custom sound is located. Once you are there, select the sound that you want to add. It will be added to your alarm and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.